Xbox.
Hey, this is Roscoe with Parts People. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the battery in a Latitude E7440. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this 5% discount coupon. Slide the latch over to unlock the battery. Lift the battery out of the laptop. Are you looking for some more tutorials? Check out these other videos. If you enjoyed this tutorial, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check out partspeople.com where we have hundreds of tutorials and hundreds of thousands of parts. Thank you for using Parts People for your video tutorials.